Hi guys, I just want to show you how resubmissions of work look like in our class. Whenever you submit a Google Doc, you're going to get feedback. Notice the feedback I gave here to the student. It's very specific feedback, and you're being graded for accuracy. So you are allowed to resubmit an assignment once. So this particular student got a 25 out of 100, and they wanted a higher grade. So I gave very specific feedback. And I noticed the student went back, corrected it, and actually put in a different color their correction. So this is the student's original answer, and then here's the student's new answer. And it happens to be the correct answer, which is great. Color coding it is very helpful for me because I can very quickly, when I open it back up, see what the changes are. So I'm asking that when you resubmit work, leave your old answer and then put up underneath your new answer and highlight in a new color, maybe label it correction like the student did. That's very helpful for me because I can quickly see, okay, here are the corrections, so I know what to look at. And then you are going to click resubmit once you're done. You're only going to get to resubmit once per assignment. So if you don't have such a great grade and you don't look at the feedback and you try again but it's still wrong, sorry, that was your second chance. The grade's going to stay how it is. Because at that point, then I'm just going to tell you the correct answer. Okay? But I will then make a comment and I'll say something like, okay, old grade 25, new grade, and I'll put what the new grade is so that you can see how you've improved. And that is how you resubmit